Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make a PayPal account without a credit card. It's very simple, so let's jump in. I have PayPal.com already open, and the first thing you want to do is click Sign Up at the bottom. Now it's asking you if you want to make this a personal account or a business account. We'll just go through it with a personal account. Then it's going to ask for your phone number. I'll go ahead and put a phone number in now. And now it's going to ask for a verification code. And once you do that, you can go back. And now it's asking for just your simple profile information. So you can put in an email. I'll just put in a random email. And then when you're putting in your legal name, just remember that it's very hard to change your name on PayPal because this is like legal through your bank accounts and getting money from people. So make sure you're putting your real first and last name. And then you can create a password. And then you can stay logged in if you want to by clicking that button or just click next. So now it's just asking for your street information. I'm just going to put in a random address. And then you have to say you have read these agreements and policies. And now we're at the point where it's like we need your credit card and or debit card or link a bank account, but you really don't need any of that because at the bottom it says here to receive money, and you could just receive money on this. And so you can click here to receive money only, and here's where you're now have created your profile. You're already done, and now you can put in the names of the people you want to receive money for, or you can later on go back and add a credit card to it, whatever you'd like. But there you go, you have your PayPal account now. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, don't forget to subscribe.